Hey everybody, this is Nate from Future of Gaming, and recently we've gone through an update and we got SCARS 1.3, and I'm going to teach you how to do the content pack download. So we're just going to click to download, open the file up. I already have the file, so I'm not going to do that. And then just going to go ahead and go to my Steam folder here. Then go to the content pack. It's called Content Pack 2. Doesn't really matter. And basically, I'm just gonna go back to this one, copy and paste that all into the Garry's Mod. Do this for the current items found. Oh, I'm gonna keep this folder, so I'm just gonna paste it in there. That's just gonna merge the folders together. Pretty big update, so really hoping you guys enjoy this. Just about done here. And that's it. Good to close these folders and go ahead and shut down your Garry's Mod however you choose to do so. Then start back up and you're good. See you guys around.